i7-9700k, the processor that will be used for our machine. This 9th generation processor was considered to be the best price-quality processor due to its sophisticated state-of-art capabilities. With this boy, you can play, stream, work, edit without any problem. With its normal clock speed of 3.6 GHz, this processor is equipped to reach the maximum of 4.9 GHz with a maximum temperature of up to 100. It is an octa-core and it was 8 cores and 8 threads, which although not the best cores configuration, but supports more than some with 12 threads. Socket LGA 1151 12MB Intel Smart Cache, a bus speed of 8 GT per second and a TDP of 95 watts are also included in this beautiful unlocked processor. Many people don't know how to install a CPU because they have nothing to know. There is an arrow on the processor, and on the motherboard socket there is also. Now, just link the two arrows and place the processor. Attention, you cannot force its fit as you can break the CPU pins and it will never work again. Then, just close the bolt with metal lever and remove the protective plastic. Don't forget to apply the thermal paste before the cooler. We were also comparing our boy with other higher and lower generation processors. With a overclock down, our CPU reached 5th place on the leaderboard and 6th without overclocking. The result obtained was the expected result. Only the 9th generation i9 managed to suppress the values, while the 8th generation maintained the same values. As you can see, we tested our CPU with different games and mainly those that use more CPU from the gamer market, and we got very satisfactory results. The frame timeline has always remained above 100 frames, even when testing with different graphic cards. Let's install the RAM. It is not difficult, they only have one way to get in, and that was to be you to find it. When you fit it in, you have to apply a little force until it clicks, that means that it was placed correctly. A very important tip is that you have to put the memories alternately. Because each slot line has a number, A1 and B1 and A2 and B2. You always have to put both in the same number, that is A1, B1 and A2, B2.